and I'm just sharing.
You have the question here, I think.
Yeah. No, sir, I have ranking wala also.
Yeah.
Let me join.
Huh. Okay, good evening, students. Now Shoma has joined today. Thank you, Shoma. Thank you, Shara and Vishal. Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
So, Vishal, whether you have understood what is the k-means cluster analysis and how can we validate the model in the last class? Hello, Vishal.
Yes, sir. Sorry, I was speaking on mute.
Okay.
I have understood, sir. I think I will just need a couple more practice.
Yeah, some more practice is important, definitely.
Yes, sir.
Any question? Whether you have any question?
Sir, I will practice more on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, so I might have more questions then.
Okay. Now, Shara, do you have any question?
Not as of now, sir. Similar to Vishal, sir. If there are questions after practice, I'll definitely post on the group.
Okay. Shoma, have you studied the YouTube video?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so please you do it so that
Yes.
you can finish it in time. Acha, now Hara is presenting the questionnaire where you will find the 14 values and you have to rank them. Okay. Now, Farah, please you share it to the
Yes.
in the maybe in the Google Classroom, of course, you can share so that they can do the
Sure.
this analysis. So you do not take much time.
Can I
There are
share?
14 variables. If you are not able to understand any variable, then or any particular statement, then I will guide you. Okay. Have you given the questionnaire?
Yes, sir. Posting on Google Classrooms.
Hmm. So 14 values are there. Two sets of data are there. One is you will find out set A, another one is the set B. Am I right, Farah?
Yes, sir. There are two sets and they have to rank according to their understanding, their preference.
They are preferences.
Yeah, their
They are
preference.
preference. Based upon your own preference in your life. Okay. You can share here, Farah. On the screen, you can share and
Yes. So,
if
good
they
evening.
have any question, so we can guide them.
Good evening, students. So, in each set, there are 14 values, and you have to rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that order according to your preference. So, this is the set 1.
And then there will be no pair rank. Okay. Same rank will not be given. It is clear, Vishal?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay. Now you give the rank, assign the rank.
Yeah, doing it.
You will get 10 minutes time for the first 5 minutes, second one, 5 minutes. So do it very quickly. Do not think much. Oh, thank you, Vishal.
Thank you, sir.
You have completed both shades.
Yes, sir. I didn't think much about it, just went with the flow.
Okay, that's good. Shara?
Sir, I've started with the second set.
Okay. Shoma?
Yes, sir. Just now I'm getting the second set. I'm observing, doing.
Okay. Now, Vishal, you please write down in your Excel, in your SPSS sheet, uh, the variable name or the statement name and your rank. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
For writing the variable name, use only 4 letters. Okay. 4 characters.
Okay, sir.
For example, self-awakening, you write down awake like that. And there will be no space and no gap. Only thing that is you can use the underscore, but not space.
Okay, sir. So, do I have to write in a ascending or descending order, or I can write the way it is?
No, in the same way, because I have to use the other data also
Okay, sir. So, in the same order, the
in the
statements
same
are of.
order. Huh?
Okay,
Just you write down.
sir.
Then you can understand the logic behind it.
Yes. So, should I make two sheets for two sets, or should I add it in the same sheet?
Same sheet, same sheet. Because the variable name is different, so there will be no problem. Only thing that is first 14 is the set A, second 14 is the set B.
Right.
Sir, could you let me know what is to be done? I've done ranking both the sets.
Okay. So now, Shara, you have completed, correct?
Yes, sir.
And Shoma, continue.
Yes, sir.
You have done.
Ranking I have written.
Okay. Now, Vishal, please you share your screen.
Yes. Yes, sir, I'm working on the Excel sheet.
Excel, oh, no problem.
Yes. Yeah, I'm just adding the data.
Okay, okay. So this is your rank. Okay, this is the first one up to the active. Okay. Now you, acha, acha. Excel is okay, no problem.
Yes, I'm just completing.
Hmm. In Excel, you can write down the full name.
Yes, sir, please done.
Okay. Now, so this is your, okay. So yeah, you have written a rank. There you write down Vishal.
Oh,
Okay, next is Shara. Shara, please you tell what is your rank, self-awakening?
Sir, for self-awakening, it is 1.
1. Next,
Emotional control, it is 3.
3. Next,
Systematic, 2.
okay. Next,
Self- Self-insulting list, I've given 14.
okay.
E is 5.
Hmm.
Fearless is 5. F 11.
Hmm.
G 12. H 13.
Hmm.
I is 9. I J is 4. K is 8. L is L is 7. M is 6. And N is 10.
Hmm.
I think I have
Yes.
missed one value.
Oh
Active,
God.
active is the last one.
Yes, I think here somewhere I have missed one of your values.
अच्छा एक मिनट wait, which one is it? No family conflict. G was 12.
Work family conflict is 12.
Yes, no work family conflict is 12.
12. Okay. Then it is, yes, we are done.
Second set, P is 3,
3.
B is 14, then C is 2, D is 9, positive feeling is 9, E is 8, family security 8, F is 4, G is 7, E is 7, then inner peace is 5, H I is 10, J is 13, K is 6, L 11, security is 11, M is 1, significance in life was 1, and N was 12.
Yeah, done.
Okay, next is Shoma. Shoma, please.
Sir. Sir. I'm just telling the numbers according to what is given there. So
Okay.
first, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13, 12, 14, 7, 1, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Done.
Acha. Then I'm coming to the next set. That is 3, 6, 5, 4, 7, 14, 13, 2, 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8.
Very good. Okay, now Vishal, you write down, just you write 3 names. One will be the, no, in the, you go to, maybe you go to the F5,
Yeah.
F5.
Yes.
Yeah, you write down Vishal. Next is Shara. Next is Shoma. And then, so this will be the 1, 2, 3. So next, after the Vishal and above, above, you write down 1, set 1. You write down set 1.
Okay.
And then 1 is the set 2. Vishal, Shara. No, sorry. You have to write down 1, 2, 3 instead of set 1, set 2. You write down 1, 2, 3. And above that, you write down set 1. Yeah. Now you write this. You go to the G5. Then equal to Correl, CORREL, bracket Correl, Correl. Then you write down B2 to B11, sorry, B15, comma, then Oh, sorry, not this will be 1. You go below. Vishal versus Shara. Yeah, you remove this one.
Okay.
Because it will be 1 versus 1. Show 1. No. You go to the next line, Shara. There you write down equal to Corril bracket B2 colon B2 colon B15 comma C2 colon C15 bracket close. Then enter. Oh, 0.63. Very good. Now you go to the next one, Vishal versus Soma. Now I think you can do it.
Yes. Um,
Yes. Acha. Now you go to the Vishal versus Shara. That is already done. So next will be this is the 1 and this is the 1. It will be the Shara versus Soma.
wait.
No, not there. Below. There will be
Yeah.
1 because the correlation between Vishal is 1. Shara
Yes.
1. So you will write down 1 and then again 1. And here it will be the Shara versus Soma.
Like this, sir.
Yeah. This is diagonal will be the 1.
Mm.
What is that?
0.72.
Oh, that's nice. So this is for set 1. And next will be the 1. Yes. Now you go to the set 2. Yeah. Now you do the same thing.
Mhm.
B30,
29.
29.
329. Yes.
C16 ना? हाँ.
Yes. Done. Mm. Um, no, that didn't be. Mm.
Oh, it is
No
same.
longer.
4 to same.
29. Yes. Yes. Sorry, this
What is
is
this?
this is 0.05.
Please check it.
Yes. I think it is okay, correct. Done.
Okay. So that now you interpret this data. Interpret this data. Set 1 and the set 2. Set 1 basically indicates the path-oriented values, and set 2 indicate the goal-oriented values. Two sets of values in our life. One is the path, another one is the goal. Goal means that will be your future. But path means what is happening now. Okay. Now you interpret the data. How do you interpret this data?
Set 1 has good correlation. So we can say that the pairs have um, similar values.
Yeah, for the path-oriented, they have the similar values, but the goal-oriented, their values differ. Okay. So now if I want to make the cluster, then what will be the cluster? Cluster will be for the first one, what will be the cluster? Soma and Shara first. Next will be Vishal. Now it is clear how the cluster forms.
Oh,
Now if you have the maybe 1,000 people, okay, then you can get the cluster based upon the parameters. And here we have followed the correlation structure. There is another approach, that is the Euclidean distance. If you follow the Euclidean distance, then you can find out much information. So now you go to the K2. You go to the K2. Sorry, K1. You go to the K1 and you write down V, capital V minus SA. Minus SA, capital SA. Enter. Now you write down equal to B2 minus
B2.
C2. B2 minus C2.
Yes, sir.
Enter. Okay, now you write down V minus SO. Next column, you go to the IJKL. V minus SO. Then you write down equal to B2 minus D2. Enter. Yeah. Now you copy and paste. Oh, another thing is there. SA minus SO. Then C2 minus D2. Now you copy and paste.
For all the items, sir, right?
Yeah.
Mhm. Yes, done.
Now you go to the N1. You write down V hyphen SA, V minus SA square. So just write down 2. SA 2. Huh. Next, you go to the similar thing. SA minus SO 2. Next.
V minus SO2, right? So, done.
Okay. Then you write down N2. You go to the N2 equal to K2 K2, then square 2. Square, you know, upward arrow is there. There is one upward arrow. Have you seen?
No, sir. Can't see on my lap. Yeah. Yes, found it.
Then enter. Like that, you do the same thing for others.
Okay. So L.
Now you make different color for set A and set B, so that you can find out which will be set 1 and set B. Okay. Now you can find out is how many zeros are there between the SA and SO. How many zeros are there? One. No. You go to the this square. You go to the square value.
Yes. So SA and SO.
How many zeros are there?
1, 3, 4 zeros are there.
For the set 1. Okay.
For the set 1, there is only 3 zeros.
3 zeros are there.
There are 2 zeros for the set 1. Oh, 3 zeros. Yeah.
3 zeros.
3 zeros. And how many 1 is there?
4 ones are there.
4 ones. So 3 zeros and 4 ones. Okay. And now you find out that is the V versus what is that? SA. How many zeros are there? Only 1 zero.
Yes, sir.
Now you can understand, if there is 0, that means their values are congruent. Right? They are very closely related with respect to the values.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, you will find it is 0.72. Now you go to the different one, and there you will not find 0 many. I do not know how many zeros you will get. 1 0, no?
So
and
this is the
difference is there.
This is the weakest one. SA minus SO for set 2.
You have written 0.05. That is the correlation. So you
Yes.
will get only 1 0. And how
Yes.
many 1 is there? Okay.
3
Now
ones.
you
Okay.
will find wide difference, maximum difference. That is the 181. And in case of the path oriented, you will find only one value, that is the 2 digits. Correct. But in case of the goal oriented values, you will find 3 digits.
Hmm.
Possibly due to that reason, there is high discrepancy between the two individuals.
Hmm.
Now it is clear.
Yes.
So this is the cluster analysis.
Okay.
Yes, Shara has the question. Shara, please, what is your question?
No, sir, no question. I gave a thumbs up in the sense I understood.
Oh, acha. Okay. Now, if you have the more number of data, more number of people, and you have these parameters, then you can make the cluster of those people. Okay. So these values based upon the Rabindra Sangit. We are talking about the Rabindrik psychotherapy now. So this is the questionnaire based upon this assumption. Rabindrik value orientation. So what is noted that the Rabindrik value orientation among the 3 persons, that is very high with respect to the path, but related to the future, uncertainty very high. Okay. So we are using this thing for the psychological counseling and psychotherapy. So there are different approaches we are applying, but this is not the issue in the machine learning. In case of the machine learning, we can apply the Rabindrik value tool for the large number of data. Suppose you have the 200 data and you want to find out the cluster of these 200 people. Then you can apply the K-median cluster analysis. Okay. And if you do the K-means cluster analysis, then you will get good result. Then you can classify the people. So today I am telling you what are the mathematical or statistical functions underlying the cluster. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have one question. So, sir, here we have created 3 clusters, 1 to 3.
3 clusters not possible.
Okay.
3 clusters means 3 people are there. So there is no formation of the cluster. You cannot make any group. No? 3 people are there. So three identities are there. So you cannot make the group. Now it is clear.
Sir, I'm just confused. Where is the cluster here? Because we were saying that it is cluster analysis. So I just can't figure out where is the cluster in this data.
That is 2 and 3. They are forming the first cluster.
2 and 3.
2 and 3, because it is 0.72.
Okay.
So they are forming the first cluster. And
Okay.
that cluster is close to the another data, that is the 1. Because 1 is 0.63.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if we find that is 1 is 0.05,
Mm.
what does it mean? That means 0.05, that will be the outlier.
Mm.
So to assess the group dynamics, you can apply this model.
So, sir, because there is 0.72 that could be a good cluster, is it right to say that?
I am not talking about the good and bad cluster. I am
Mm.
telling that is these two people, their value patterns are almost similar.
Yes, sir.
That means, sir, like-minded people. And
They are the like-minded people. So Shara and Shoma, they are like-minded people. It does not mean that Vishal is not like-minded, because Vishal also has the 0.63. If Vishal has the would have this 0.05 like that, that means not the like-minded. So that will be the outlier.
similarly, in the goal-oriented path, sir, that means
Yeah,
there is
this
a
0.05 is outlier.
that means the huge difference in the thought
Yeah,
pattern.
yeah. So there is a difference between the other people.
So in such a way, sir, we can apply to the that means in our school college, so that we can make the target group, and according to that, the similar level, and they can
You can,
they can.
that is true. I am also thinking that is the volunteering. I am thinking, I'm just discussing with Farah, that is RPRIT can start the application for volunteer job.
Yes, yes,
because
sir.
because many people, they requested me, that is, we like to assist you in any manner, we like to assist you. So that is good one, because our institute is a non-profit organization, it is mainly research oriented, and whatever I am doing, and if you can assist me, so that will help, that will
Yes, sir.
grow our institute also.
Hmm.
So I have proved it. That is the Rabindrik values. It has some implication in our value perception. Now here you can find out 100. The difference is 100. And what is that value?
That is the accomplishment.
Achha.
No, yeah, 100
Yes.
is
The
Accomplish.
variable is accomplished.
accomplishment.
Yeah, and the interesting part also, in case of the Vishal, that is also 64. 2 digits are there. And where these three people, they are very close. One is there, this
Very close in the piece.
very close with respect to the piece. Correct. Now this is your good observation. 4, 4, it is, oh, it is 0.
Otherwise, that
No, no.
sir, it is another one. I'm coming
4,
to the salvation. 114.
acha. 141. Which one? That is the salvation. Wow.
Sir, actually, accomplishment means what, sir? Why this is differing? Or what does it mean? The true meaning of
That
it?
is, I am feeling, that is, I am accomplished.
That means
Whatever
I'm
I have
fulfilled.
done, I feel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No, that sense that is I'm not. I have to do more.
Yeah, you can do it, Shara, no problem. This is a very useful tool. Currently, we have developed the questionnaire. That is the base upon the several items are there. For example, in case of the self-awakening, you will find at least the 10 items. And we are testing the reliability, validity, etc. We are doing a lot of the research on it. Now we are trying to relate it with Rabindra Sangeet also. How Rabindra Sangeet is related to the value orientation. So if I find the value orientation is less, then I can apply Rabindra Sangeet. That is a systematic procedure.
Sir, in this case, accomplishment, if there is a difference, so what kind of song we are going to find it out? Which Rabindra Sangeet? আমার যেসব দিতে হবে
ওটা হতে পারে আমার যেসব দিতে হবে সে তো আমি জানি আমার যেসব that can be it is the feeling of accomplishment. ওটাও করতে পারো আমার যেসব দিতে হবে আরো আরো অনেক কিছু আছে আমাদের একটা ইয়ে আছে লিস্ট আছে we have the list of Rabindra Sangeet related to all the values and we are trying to create another research that is the classification of all Rabindra Sangeet based upon the value orientation.
আর একটা হয় স্যার চিত্রাঙ্গদায় আমি চিত্রাঙ্গদা রাজকুমারী ওইটা আমি নহি ফার্স্ট যে গানটা
No, these Vishal and Shara, they cannot understand your language.
Okay. Yes, sir. This is the mission language. Yes.
Yeah. So we have to translate it and then we can do it.
Mr. Sara is asking about the interpretation. So, Sara, you have to see the first 5 values of the person. And according to that, you can give counseling. You can attend the person.
Yeah, definitely, Shara. Why not? For that reason, I started the volunteering job. If you want to do that type of research, that is good. But again, you have to develop some orientation about Rabindranath Tagore's value pattern, Rabindranath Tagore's Rabindrik psychotherapy, and Rabindra Sangeet, etc. Some orientation should be there. Then you can easily do it. Then you can easily understand. I want to facilitate it. And Phara has used this questionnaire for.
Yes, sir.
Phara,
As a
please
class.
you share your experience.
Yes, sir. So I have used this in one of my counseling sessions. So that client was preparing for the competitive exam, civil service exam, and he went to different counselors and psychiatrists. So those people are just labeling him that he has this OCD problem. So when he come to me, I use this scale just to build, after building a good rapport, I use this scale to see the, just to have a good positive conversation. So he had this problem of perfectionism. So I used in that area, and but in that case also he was ranking the values according to his desires, not according to the preferences. So some people you will find that they are ranking the values according to their desires, not according to their preferences, because many people do not know the importance of value. So you have to tell them what is the importance of value, what values are. There are different kind of values. So they will question you ki why this value is not there. uh, so you have to explain it to them ki why these particular values you have taken it for the assessment part. And so in that case, I just use this ranking scale, and I just help him in preparing the this exam. And I noticed the change in his mind. I mean, in his thinking, and it was a great help for him. So in this way, you can use. But before that, you have to be a good counselor also. If you're not a good counselor,
Which
then this.
song did you
Yeah.
suggest?
Yes, ma'am. Can you please repeat?
Which song did you
Songs I have not used, because that I was just using it for why I have used it. I can tell you, because the client was very negative in terms of talking and interaction. So I why I used it, because I found that this particular assessment is just is just to, I mean, these values are positive values, right? If I tell you, okay, this is not your value, you are ranking this eighth value, this value on eighth number, that thing will not harm you, right? So this is just for the positive rapport building. So I've not suggested him any songs, because he was from UP side. So but yeah, so slowly, when I mean, I'm thinking that I will use it in my future sessions also. So for that I have to learn the songs because sir told me that if you tell them that okay, this particular song you listen, Rabindrik song, then that will help them to improve their value set. And you have to see ki what values are required for that particular case. So if you are preparing for the competitive exam, you have to be systematic, right? You have to be systematic. So that value
Yes.
is important, right? So you have to see according to your case, you have to see okay, which value is required for that particular case, and how you will change the situation for that particular client. So this is my experience, and sir will guide you okay how you can use it, and it's all depend upon you. You all are, I think, counselors, so you all can decide ki how you will use this assessment for your counseling sessions. I have used it in this way, you can use it in your own way. So it all depends upon your client and your counseling skills.
That means the non-Bengali students, they can also understand
Yes
because
sir.
these values are common.
Yeah.
Whatever the values are written, these values are universal in nature.
Yes, that's true. That's true. And some clients also ask you कि there are so many things are repeating, like self understanding, self awakening. So what is the difference? So before giving this test to them, you have to first understand कि, okay, what is the difference between self awakening and self understanding? Because for the normal people, it is all same. But as a psychologist, you only know what is the difference between self awakening and self understanding.
Similarly, the salvation,
Yes,
that is another area.
yes, sir. People usually ask me about the Nishkam also. What
Yeah,
is
the
the
Nishkam.
Nishkam? Yeah.
Okay, we can check the Nishkam value among them. Okay, Vishal, please share your data.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is the value difference
Once.
compared
I'm
to the
sharing.
Nishkam?
Mm, yeah, this is it's quite the difference is low, I guess.
Usually, this is my observation. That is the who are very much academic in nature, research oriented. Their Nishkam value is very dominant. Please do share the worksheet with us later. Okay.
So, is your observation that people who are academically
Because if you want to do the academic work, na, this, for example, you want to do the PhD, and if you
mm,
think about after the PhD, some material gain will be there,
mm,
then you will be always disturbed. But if you think that is the gaining the knowledge, exploring the knowledge, that is your gain, you want to gain,
mm,
then automatically your principle will be different. You know?
okay, oh, yes,
When I was in IIT Kharagpur at that time, I have noted that is some of the students, they are always, they are very good students, and they are telling me that is, Devu, we are doing PhD, and what is the material gain? I always asking them, that is, please you do not think about your any material gain for the PhD.
mhm,
If you want the material gain, you will be disturbed. Because PhD is not for the material gain. PhD is the exploring the knowledge. So what I am doing now, I am developing the concept of Rabindrik psychotherapy. Why? How? Because I have explored different phenomena. I have learned how to explore the phenomena. So that is the training.
So here in this point though, we are very similar, that 12, 13 and 14. And if we notice that one, that is the 141 in the goal oriented. So how you are going to interpret this one, sir?
Which one? 12, 13?
Nishkam principle.
Yeah, Nishkam principle is that only Vishal and Shoma, uh, there is a difference, that is a 4, but that is not the difference anything. It is very nominal difference. What are you telling? 12,
No, I
13
am
and
just
14. No,
ha,
that is
12,
the
13
rank
and
value.
14.
No, no,
Ha, rank value.
that is the rank value.
Yes, sir.
So
So
that is
what does
12,
it?
12, 13. So 12 minus 13,
Ha,
then
so that
square,
is.
and
Ha, ha.
12 minus 14 square value. So that
No,
is
I got it said that is the Euclidean distance and the other thing. But according to the ranking, we are going to, if we get the rank value, that is the 12, 13, and 14, that is the similar number, more or less. So, what does it interpret in the path oriented?
no. In that
What is
context,
our mentality?
you always think about it is the position. It is not the level. Okay. For your value preference, 12th position is Nishkam principle. And for your position is the 14th. And 12th position is the, in case of the Vishal. This is not the level. This is the position. Therefore, we can do only the median. Now you do one thing, you can write down the median, then you can find out more. Okay, this is very interesting. Now Shoma has asked me a very good question. Okay, Vishal, now
yes,
you
sir.
make the, that is this uh, median. You go to this D, After that, E is there. And
Yes.
there you write down the equal to median bracket B2 colon D2. B2 colon D2 bracket. Close. Enter. Yeah. Now you copy paste. So this is the median value, median rank. So now you can find out the median difference. Okay.
That is 13.
Yeah, that is the 13. And here you can find out the paired rank also. So you can check the paired rank, no problem. Because this is the paired rank. Okay. And here you can find out where they are the similarity very high. Similarity very high in case of the self-awakening. Usually self-awakening is the very value which is very much high in case of the researcher. And what is self-understanding? Yeah,
Self-understanding is
self-understanding
3.
is 3. Okay, self-awakening very high, that is very common.
And
Maybe
inner harmony is
also
2, sir.
self-awakening is 1. And what is
Inner
that?
harmony is 2.
Inner harmony 2. So this is very good thing. So based upon that, you can make the analysis. But in case of the goal-oriented, possibly you will find the differences there. Now you can make another interesting result. That is the median versus individual. So whether this individual is suitable for the group or not. That you can do. But I have, I think, another class now. Farah?
Just
Yes,
we
sir.
are
Yes,
looking, sir,
Yes,
in the self
yes, sir.
emotional control.
One thing only I can tell in the assessment part, that you have to see in your first set, if you are ranking self awakening, then this self awakening is the first rank of your first set. Now, in the second set, what is the first rank? The first rank is suppose peace. So, self awakening is related to peace. So, A is related to B. So, in this way, you have to do your assessment.
Very good.
This is the math. This is the what I can say. The beauty of this assessment. This is a very. This will not take much time also, so it is very helpful if you will use in your counseling sessions. It will help your client also.
Inner harmony too. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Self-awakening and inner harmony. These two
Sir,
are
in
very...
the yeah, in
And
the
then
first
it is
yeah,
coming, sir, significance in life
huh,
and the peace.
yeah.
But related to your salvation or accomplishment, you have some confusion in your life. Among the 3, because this is the high level, it will maybe at our age, you will find out this high similarity in case of the goal-oriented rather than the path-oriented.
So already though you have reached in the future. So what should that means the advanced research.
Yeah, so for the senior people, you will find the goal-oriented people that
Goal-oriented
Goal-oriented
means
and very
advanced research and how to implement it in the society.
Yeah, that can be. Okay. Now I think I have another class. Now, Fada?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Very nice.
So whatever you have learned today, now you apply it in your regular life.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.